Hi, today I'm making a blueberry loaf. And so this is a really simple, quick bread. I am making it from scratch. So I'm starting with 1.5 cups of flour and 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. I am mixing the sugar into the flour. That's important. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And so that's what's going into this dry mix. In the liquid mix, I'm going to start with 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I will also have 1/2 cup of milk as well as 1 egg. And that'll all be in a separate mixing bowl. Okay, that's separate from the dry mix. And then basically once I've stirred in all the dry ingredients, I'm creating a little area to, to sort of pour in the liquid ingredients. Okay, and so this is going to be the loaf batter. This can also be muffin batter as well. And so I'm going to mix that. And then I'm going to fold in 1.5 cups of small to medium sized blueberries. And so they're fresh berries. And so I found that if you use the smaller ones, it works a little bit better for this recipe because this is going to make one loaf pan. I've used my parchment paper to line my pan, and I'm pouring the blueberry batter into the pan, which should be a regular size loaf pan, nothing really large. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about an hour. At 55 minutes, I would take a look at it. And once it's done, you can, pull it right out of the loaf pan and set it on a rack like I've done here. And that is a perfect sort of complement to your breakfast or brunch.